All right, so I just got the door handle or the door panel removed. It's actually really simple. I'm not going to go too in depth with it, but there are 2 screws right here. I don't remember what size they are, but I just used a Phillips head, and then there's a screw in there after you take off this little cover. And then there should be a screw somewhere in there right here, and then there's 2 of them on the bottom right there. And all you do is just lift the whole thing up, unplug this right here, and then just disconnect the lock and the handle cables. Now we should be right here with the stock speakers. You can see it looks pretty old and deteriorated. So I'm just gonna unscrew these, and these look like they're riveted in, so we're gonna have to drill those out. And then I see there's like a little harness that plugs into there. So I'm pretty sure the speakers that I'm gonna put in are plug and play. As you can see, these are riveted in, and me and rivets, yeah, we don't do too well. I completely broke off the drill bit off this, and it's actually stuck in that rivet. But these ones I got out, I literally just used this like pry tool, and I just pried the heads off. Here are 2 of them so far, so I just got that last one in, and we should be good to go. All right, so I just got the last head out, and you just pull it out. Very easy. Okay, hopefully this is plug and play with the other speaker, because I thought I'd have to do some type of wiring, but let's see. All right, well, here's our first problem. They don't freaking match. All right, so quick little update. I did some research, and I found out that I am going to need this harness right here. It's only like 10 bucks from Best Buy. There is the model code, or there's a model 728104 by Metra. Basically, the harness is just gonna connect into these 2 positive and negative points right here, and then instead of this 4-pronged square looking harness, it'll be something similar that would be able to plug into this. I'm not sure why my previous Celica had this harness in it. I didn't really quite pay attention to it, so I didn't really know if there was a difference or not. I thought it'd just be plug and play, but guess not, so gonna have to buy that. All right, so I just came back from Best Buy, and I just picked up this speaker harness that I was talking about. So for this one, I'm just gonna unplug these ends right here, and then just go ahead and plug it into this one right here. All right guys, this is actually relatively easy. If you don't know which one's positive or negative, you can see the spades are 2 different sizes. One's bigger than the other. And then you go to these connections right here, you can see one's also bigger than the other. So, you know, smaller goes to the smaller one, bigger goes to the bigger one. I actually had a little bit of trouble trying to plug these in. Even though they're the right sizes, what I had to do was I just grabbed a small little flathead and then just stuck it in there and just kind of made the openings a little bit bigger. That way I was able to slide these on easier, and as you can see, they're not going anywhere. So now we're just gonna plug them in and see if they work. All right, here we go, moment of truth. Before I get copyrighted, I don't know if you guys were able to hear, but sound was coming out from here. It was vibrating a little bit, so yes, 100% it works. Now let's get on to the passenger side. Damn, I honestly thought there would be a lot more work and wiring for speakers, but it turns out all you gotta do is just buy an adapter, and it's basically just plug and play. Easy as pie. So we ran into another issue. I'm missing some type of speaker bracket because it does not want to line up with these 3 holes right here. I tried taking off the JBL bracket and it did not fit either. See, this is what happens when you just wing stuff. You end up needing a lot of things that you thought you had. But so I have 2 choices. Either just drill right into this metal or find the correct brackets. I'm gonna try to find the correct brackets and see what happens. But yeah, time to do some more researching. But yeah, if you guys actually buy a brand new set of speakers, most likely it'll come with like all the necessary things. But since I basically kind of just picked this off of another car, I'm missing like the bracket. So can't remember how it was installed on the other car. I don't know if it was drilled in or not, but I mean, I bought the car with these speakers, so. All right, we're back. I went on YouTube, did some research, and I actually found someone else's video, and what they did was they kept the stock bracket on there, and then their aftermarket speaker, they basically just drilled right into the edges of the stock bracket. Now, I'm not too sure if there are any differences between the JBL speakers or the stock Celica speakers, but the brackets seem pretty similar, so that's the route I took. I ended up using some nuts and bolts. This little K right here. I believe they are 1/4 inch bolts. And then I just used some nuts on the back, tightened them in, so they're pretty sturdy. Now I'm gonna try and just drill this thing into the edges right here. Also, this little stock piece, it used to be right there, and basically what I did was I grabbed a flathead and I just stuck it into these two edges right here. You see there's two tabs, and then it just slides right out. So now I'm gonna be able to fish the new harness into that little hole and then plug it into here. All right, quick update. As you can see, I drilled them into the stock adapter. Yeah, it is kind of ghetto, but I mean, I'm just working with what I have. It looks pretty flush right now. It actually looks good. It doesn't even look ghetto, but it's really sturdy. There's no wiggle room at all. But yeah, there we go. I just drilled 1, 2, 3 screws. Bottom one, can't really tell, but I couldn't even put a screw in there because it's just an empty space. But yeah, 3 screws holds up pretty good. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You just have to buy the little adapter, buy your favorite set of speakers, and then usually it probably come with its own bracket. But for me, like I said, I picked this off of my last Celica. It already came with it when I bought that car, and so I just reused the stock bracket, drilled in the screws, and it works perfectly fine. But yeah, that's basically it. Works perfectly fine. It's way better than the stock JBL speakers. I believe these are discontinued too, so they are kind of outdated, but definitely an upgrade from the stock JBL blown speakers, upgraded to some Alpines.